Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the bling video effect as a transition in CapCut for PC. Right, so prepare your images or videos you like to edit and add the track. So you can set for image duration in 1.0 second. Go to effect, no transition, just effect, and select the lens. Scroll down until you find playing video effect. Just download it and just wait. Alright. Add the track and make it shorter. Make it shorter and put on top another clip like this. Put on top between the clip and you can copy paste. Put on top between the clip. Do as before until finish the clip. You can see for final result. Yeah, you can add effect, another effect, and audio, text, sticker, and anything you like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.